Sit.
JMF FMJ family fishing trip. 6 boggy and 3 kingfish at Canarsie Pier in Brooklyn. And this is our last day, so we had fun. We did 3 days. It was fun.